Yo, what's going on everybody? Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a mission. We're going to be testing out the Moza Aircross 2, which they just sent out to me, but I got my two boys right here. Got Sammy right over there. And then we got Mike, always bending over right there. And yeah, we're going to do some FPV stuff. We're going to have a really good time, and we're going out to Trona Pinnacles. Yeah, we're getting everything set right now. V stuff right here. We're going to get some dope drone footage with these guys. You excited?
You think I'm gonna need a jacket?
Maybe. Maybe.
Bring it anyway.
If it gets windy, yeah, you always have to be prepared, bro.
You gotta be prepared.
Always gotta be prepared. So, yeah, that's really it, guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna have some cool footage. We're gonna go over this gimbal. It's probably blown out right now because it's so bright out, but yeah, stay tuned. Alright, we just got here. A little bit of a bumpy ride, but hopefully we get some dope B-roll. Okay, so we just got to the Trona Pinnacles. You can see some behind me, but we're gonna send the drones up. We're gonna get some B-roll of this area. We're gonna try to get creative. So we're gonna throw this camera up on the Moza Aircross 2. We're gonna see how stable the footage looks, and yeah, I'll show you, give you guys some more of my impressions with the gimbal.